Hello friends, welcome to Kalpa Creations by Ruchita. Today we are going to make no onion, no garlic bottle gourd curry in instant pot. You can make this curry in normal pressure cooker or in kadhai. First of all, wash and peel bottle gourd and chop the pieces of same size. The cooking time will depend on the size of bottle gourd. I have diced it into 1 inch by 1 centimeter. For one bite size, you can increase or decrease the size of the bottle gourd. If they are small, then you will need less time to cook. First of all, take oil in instant pot and start instant pot on saute mode. Let the oil get hot. I have used coconut oil here. Now add mustard seeds and some cumin seeds. Let them splutter. Add fenugreek seeds and green chilli. At this time, you can add curry leaves. Mix it well so that green chilli will get cooked. As there is less oil, we have to mix it. Now add turmeric powder. We are not using any masala here. Mix turmeric powder or it will get cooked into the oil. You can add hing at this time in the oil and then add chopped bottle gourd. Mix it well so that all the oil and turmeric will get mixed with the bottle gourd. This bottle gourd doesn't have any taste and it has lots of moisture in it. So now I am adding hing here. As I was saying, it has lots of oil, so we will not water, so we will not add too much water here. We will add just 1 tablespoon of water so that it will not stick to the bottom of the steel insert. Add salt to taste, and I am adding here pinch of sugar. This is very optional, but it enhances the taste, so I add pinch of sugar. Okay, cover the lid, lock it and set the whistle on sealing mode. Now press pressure cook or manual mode and set the timer for 3 minutes. Nine minutes are already done, so we are doing natural pressure release. Take out all the steam and open the lid. Let us check the curry. It is nicely cooked. It is not mushy, but I want gravy to be little thick, so I will start the saute mode. Here I am adding peanut powder. You can add coconut powder or desiccated coconut or fresh coconut. So bottle gourd doesn't have any taste, so we add chana dal in the oil or we add roasted peanut powder or coconut after cooking in the last, so that we get its crunch or that texture and it will taste good. Curry is already done. Sprinkle some coriander leaves. I am thickening the curry to my requirements. You can serve curry as soon as you open the lid and add peanut powder. Serve it with hot rice or chapati and the curry is ready to be served. Thank you. Meet you in the next video. Bye bye.